So we're going to take a look at another example and determine if a set of data is normally distributed. In this case here, I'm giving you the mean and the standard deviation. We just have to determine, does it match those two criteria? Does it match criteria 1 and criteria 2? Not too worried about the median in this case and the mode, but we have the mean and the standard deviation. So let's take a look at our two criteria. Criteria number 1. Okay, so criteria number 1 states half the data is below mean or above the mean. Okay, so let's count up how many are less than 36.64. So I'm just going to use a drawing tool here, and we're going to look for how many of them are less than 36.36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, so 16 of them are below the mean. It also helps that if we know 16 out of the total, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16 out of 28 are below mean. Okay, and that gives us, we'll just quickly do some calculations here, 16 divided by 28. This is 57% of the data that is below the mean. Okay, so 57% is below the mean. Well, that's kind of telling us already that it's probably not going to be normally distributed. Actually, you know, I missed one here. I'm sorry. I missed another one. There, okay. So actually, this is 17 out of 28 are below the mean. So just based on this, and let's quickly do 17 divided by 28. Let's get that correct. That's 61% now. 61%. This is way above that 55% that we kind of said would be a good amount. So this tells us, number one, that it is most likely not normally distributed. Okay, most likely not normally distributed, which means that we almost don't even have to do the second test. But I am going to do that just because I want to show you how to do that, and we'll see does it match as well. So is it going to be matched as well? Okay, so this is 68% between one standard deviation. Okay, so we need to look for our range to start with. Okay, so the range that we're looking for is one standard deviation below, so 36.64 minus 3.38, which is equal to 36.64 minus 3.38 is 33.26. So we're looking for everything above 33.26 and 36.64 plus 3.38. 36.64 plus 3.38, and so this is 40.02. So looking for everything between 33 and 40 with the pant sizes based on the way they are. We're looking for which ones are 34, 36, 38, and 40. So we're looking for 36, 34, 34, 36, 40, 34, 40, 38, 38, 38. I'm trying to use a different color here so that, oh, not that one. I need to go eraser. Did 32, shouldn't have done 32. Sorry about that. 38, not 32, 36, 36, 36, not 32, 34, 34, 34, 38, and 34. All right, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 of them. So 21 out of the 28 are within that range. 21 out of 28 are within that range. And it should show up almost right away there. Okay. And that is the same as 75%. Okay. We said it should be around 68% or up to 73. This is also out of that range. Okay. So this also tells us that it is not, okay, a normally distributed set. Both of our criteria failed. Okay, really, if one fails, that should pretty much tell us that it's not going to work. If the second one fails as well, it's definitely not going to work.